Mikey D here, your friendly neighborhood Goumba gourmet. Welcome to my kitchen where we cook, we eat, we drink, and everything else in life that stresses us out. What do? Forget about it. I know, right? Like it's so easy to do. I say it, but like my wife says, you know, you got to take your own advice. Yeah, well, I tried my best. But you know what? Cooking, eating, those things kind of take me away from a lot of that stress in life, you know? It's been a busy week. I don't know about you guys, but it's been a little hectic. As you can tell, I haven't even had time to get a haircut. I got this whole pump thing going on here. I was at my doctor's office yesterday, and I'm standing there, I'm making an appointment, whatever. A woman behind the counter on the other side there, she's looking up, she goes, gets up, she does something at her file cabinet, and she goes, "Oh, I love your hair." I'm like, "Love my hair? I need a haircut, babe." "Oh, no, it looks nice like that. Reminds me of Elvis." Reminds me of Elvis? Jeez. All right, whatever. I don't know. Some people suggested, you know, if I get a haircut, maybe I want to do something like a mohawk. Like since I got the Mr. T, you know, starter set going on here, like, why don't you do the Mr. T mohawk?
Why would I do that? Why would I do that?
Anyway, okay, let's get on to what we're doing. I'm going to make something simple and absolutely delicious. Okay, we're going to do a shrimp scampi. I'm not going to go into making a whole thing with pasta or a steak or whatever, which is probably what I'm going to cook up for this little later on. But that's something else. That's a whole other video. We're just going to do the shrimp scampi tonight. Okay, we're going to do it the Goumba way. A lot of people do shrimp scampi. A lot of people do shrimp scampi differently. There's simple ways. There's more complicated ways. We're going to do it the Goumba way. All right, this is what we're going to do. I got 1.5 pounds or so of medium, I love that, medium shrimp. Not the colossal shrimp, but like the medium shrimp. Not the teeny tiny shrimp. What is shrimp? Shrimp is shrimp. When something is little, you call it shrimp. Oh, you're a shrimp. This is a shrimp. Oh, that's shrimpy. That means small. So colossal, jumbo, medium, whatever. I think George Carlin did a whole skit on that one time. Anyway, I've got the medium-sized shrimp, and they're peeled, deveined. It's raw shrimp, peeled, deveined. I did butterfly them a little bit. You'll probably see that in the video. And what I've got here is, okay, let's start off. We got some butter. I've got some softened butter here. Okay, I've got some olive oil. I've got sliced up garlic. Probably going to need about, for this, maybe 5 cloves or so, okay? I've got some Parmesan cheese. I've got some breadcrumbs, about 1 teaspoon of dill, teaspoon of paprika, a little less than 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. You could put that if you want. You don't have to. I'm making them a little bit spicy. I've got my 8 Italian herbs, that blend I used the other day in something else I cooked. You'll have to watch that video. And I roll off what's on there, okay? And I've got about 2 teaspoons of parsley, teaspoon of kosher salt, teaspoon of black pepper. Did I mention the wine here? The white wine? You know I always got to sneak in some wine somewhere. Speaking of that. Half a lemon. We're going to use some fresh lemon. Alright, we're going to do this real simple, and I'm going to do it the way I've been doing some of the other videos. I don't have my son here to do all the video taping for me because he's still up in PA figuring out what he wants to do up there and maybe make a permanent move. So he is still doing my editing and stuff. I just kind of send him all the clips. And I think he's doing a good job. I think he's doing a really good job. So, as always. Anyway, let's get on to this, and should be fairly simple and tasty, and that's the way I'm trying to keep it. Okay? Be right back. we are done. Very simple. Okay, I hope you found that to be really simple and easy, because you are going to find this to be really super delicious, trust me. Okay, well, I just made the shrimp scampi. Okay, I didn't make something else with it. You can easily make more of the butter, olive oil, well, everything that I put in there. Make a lot more of it. Cook up some spaghetti and just pour it all over, mix it all in. I'm really trying to cut those carbs, so actually what I'm going to do is I've got a steak. I've got seasoned up right now with a little bit of kosher salt and black pepper. And what I'm going to do with it is put it in that pan. Okay, if you noticed, I left some of the garlic and the juices in there because now I threw in a little rosemary, thyme, some other herbs, and a little more garlic, a little more butter. And I'm actually going to take this pan, okay, as you can see, and I'm going to put my steak in there and pan fry that steak up. And that's what I'm going to have with this tonight. Okay, me and my wife. She'll be home from work soon. And she'll come into, I think, what's a nice dinner. Anyway, this came out really awesome. I haven't tasted it yet, but it sure looks it and it sure smells it. All right, I'm just going to taste a little bit. I'm not going to go too crazy because, you know, I got to eat dinner. Okay, but here's a little bit here. Okay, let's throw it on my plate. Let's grab my fork. And nice and tender. Oh my goodness. It smells incredible. Oh my God. You're going to love it. You are going to love this. If you love shrimp, you love shrimp scampi, you're going to love this recipe. All right? Once again, the Goumba way. I don't know. Maybe somebody else does it this way. I don't know. It's just kind of stuff I put together in my head and think it might taste good doing it. And that's what I did it. I've made shrimp scampi before, but I actually made it this a little different. I thought about some other things that I wanted to add, and I added it. And I'm actually really, really happy. I think my wife will be too. Well, once again, I hope you check out this video. I hope you check out all my other videos. I hope you check me out on Instagram. If you want to follow me on TikTok, Goumba Mike. I've got some food things on there, but some weird stuff too. I'm a little weird and crazy. And Twitter, and obviously on YouTube. So Mikey D Goumba Gourmet, all one word on YouTube. I really appreciate if you guys would subscribe, follow me. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I really am. That's what you need for YouTube to really recognize you and start to move up on YouTube and become a content maker. I need the 4,000 hours of watch time, and I'm doing everything I possibly can. Advertising, doing Facebook ads for my Instagram and the YouTube, and just trying to boost up my subscribership. So hopefully you guys are really enjoying this. You come along on this ride with me. I said from the beginning we'll try to make this fun. We try to throw in some funny things here and there, while at the same time getting some, getting you guys some real good, tasty, easy to make recipes. Okay, I hope you try it. Once again, I hope you follow me, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Drop me a comment. Comments are really important. I hope you leave me some really good comments. I really appreciate that. So far, everybody's been really awesome, and I love it. So once again, thank you. Much appreciated. Thank you for coming into my kitchen where we cook, we eat, we drink a little vino or whatever else you want, and everything else in life that stresses us out. What do? Forget about it.